want to share with you my go-to yoga pose which strengthens the abs, back, and upper body all in one shot, plank pose. Developing a strong back and abs at the same time is a great way to counterbalance the weakening that occurs from sitting in a chair or driving for extended periods of time every day. Plank pose helps develop spinal support and better posture, plus it strengthens the core, wrists, arms, and shoulders at the same time. First, I'll show you a beginner version, and then I'll amp it up and give you a little bit of a challenge. Try both. So to come into a plank pose, start in downward facing dog, pressing all four corners of the palms down. Your heels can be lifted off the floor, that's fine. Whatever your normal down dog looks like is perfect. Then you're going to engage the core and come forward, float the shoulders over the wrists. So in a perfect world, your down dog alignment is the same as your plank pose. You shouldn't come forward and have to adjust. So your shoulders should come over your wrists and then extend through your heels to keep your legs nice and strong. You want to plug the shoulder blades down the back and reach the crown of the head toward the front of the room as you extend through the heels. So the legs are strong here, the core is strong here, everything is working. You want to create one strong line from the heels, hips, and shoulders. So you want to make sure that your butt isn't up in the air. You want to make sure that you're not sagging down into more of an upward facing dog. You want to pull that navel in and up and extend the tailbone back toward the wall behind you and the crown of the head forward. Gaze down at the floor. You don't want to look forward and crunch your neck. You want to keep the head in line with the spine. Then to activate the legs a little more, roll the thighs in and up and charge the front of the thighs up toward the ceiling. If this is too much for you at first, try it with the knees on the floor and get that alignment of pressing all four corners down, working the shoulder blades down the back, pulling the navel in and up before you lift the knees up off the floor. So if you get to that point and it becomes not as much of a challenge for you and you want to work a little harder, come back into plank, extend through the heels, and then press through the palms and lift one leg up. So you still flex that back foot and lift that thigh, roll it in and up. It just engages the core even more. Drop that foot down, lift the other leg up, rolling the thigh in and up to engage the core. Lower that down, lower the knees, and push back into child's pose and take a breath. If you strike your first plank pose and you feel challenged by weak ab and back muscles while trying to hold a straight line, don't get discouraged. With practice, you'll build strength in the upper body, core, and back, eventually being able to hold yourself there for an extended amount of time. I hope you enjoyed exploring plank pose with me. For more alignment instruction and information on all 8 limbs of yoga, check out my website, zenstrength.com. Have a great day.